Good morning, everyone. Today is spring forward, so we lost an hour last night. So instead of being 8 a.m., it was 9 a.m., right? Yeah, so waking up at 9 was like waking up at 8, but whatever. At least it was on Sunday. My mom and I woke up, got to yoga, which is what we do Sunday mornings, and Saturday mornings we lift weights. So got up, went to yoga. It was awesome. It was actually a really crowded class, so proud of everyone. Then went to Starbucks, had our usual, and now I'm back. And so just thought I would do kind of go through the day with me kind of thing today. So obviously I look a little cray-cray, but need to shower, get ready. I have an open house today, 2 to 4, and just get things going. Okay, so my daily routine, I guess, start off with some lemon water. Depending, I go work out, maybe not. So this morning I had my lemon water, I went to yoga, went to Starbucks, had my tea and that spinach drop, which was so good with my mom. Now I'm back. I'm about to take my vitamins. I need to get ready for the day. I water the flowers and just kind of go from there. So got to take my vitamins, and I do a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with some orange juice. All right, squeaky clean in my robe, my Uggs, which if you don't own a robe, you're missing out on life. So all cleaned up, and now about to put my makeup on and turn from freaky to not freaky, hopefully. Just had my hair up. I didn't wash my hair today, but I'll wash it tomorrow. So, all right. Okay, so face is put on. I know what you're thinking. Well, you wear no makeup. Just kidding. Yeah, I actually love makeup, and that actually came from watching YouTube. I love watching makeup tutorials. Granted, I'm not anywhere close to being as good as them, but like, if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't know good brands to try out. Concealer I just started wearing. But anyway, so done with that. It's only like 10 a.m. or 10:30 right now, and my open house is at 2. I have a girlfriend that's having like a tea party for her birthday today at 1. So she's gonna get there a little bit early. I'm gonna get there early because I have to leave at like 1:15 to go head to the open house and get prepared and everything. So I have that, but right now I'm just gonna chill, sit on my couch in my robe. There's a lot of daily routines I'm working on and making them habits, and because I know when I do these, I'm more successful and positive minded. And so now what I'm about to do is my daily 10-minute daily meditation. It could be 10 to 15 minutes or whatever you want, maybe even 5, but I started off doing 5 a day, 5 minutes a day. But now I just do a 10-minute guided meditation every day, and it's awesome. So I'm gonna do that and then see where it takes us. Okay, so we are ready. Just put my hair back in a ponytail. All black is what I do. Lighting is crazy. So jacket is actually from my husband from Denmark. Shirt I think is just from H&M. Jeans are Paige jeans, and then my shoes, if you could see them, I'm hoping. Those are actually from my husband too, and they're Kylie and Kendall. I don't know, they're really cute, but about to head off, stop at my girlfriend's little tea party first, and then go to the open house. Here we go. Okay, well that was the freaking coolest place I've ever been. Like, I'm going back. I mean, I barely showed you guys, and I'm curious to see if the video even does it justice, which I highly doubt it does, because it was so freaking cool. It was so cool. And I love tea. Like, I love tea, and I love tea pots and glasses and tea rooms. Like, I love tea parties, everything. Like, that was so much fun. I'm so happy I went. Like, that was so much fun. It was so cool. So yes, Sunday is winning. I feel like this Sunday being it's just a weird Sunday for me. Like, I woke up pretty early, already did yoga, showered, got ready, went to the tea room. Now I'm on my way to an open house. It just feels like it's a little bit longer, which is awesome, but it's actually we lost an hour, but I don't know, blah blah blah. It's a good day. I'm so happy I went to that, because that was so freaking cool. I'm going back for sure, and I want all the china, so awesome. Now I'm on my way to an open house, same place that I did the last video, and see if we can get some movement there. Looking forward to get there, see how the patio is or the deck is going, see if I need to sweep anymore. So crazy. But yeah, it's a kind of a gray day, as you saw in one of the time lapse, maybe. Gray day, so it'll be interesting to see if people are going to be out or not. It's always a toss up in the air. So here we are on our way, but it's a good Sunday and a good spring forward Sunday. I'm very pleased. Normally this is really hard for me, so cheers. We're here. We are here. We're in the house. Everything is set up. Patio man is not here today. So lights are turned on everywhere. Again, it's a kind of a gray day, but don't worry. I definitely had to go and get my best friend the broom. As you know, that wind doesn't play games though. So I'm here, I'm ready, and time for the open house. Welcome home. Because there's still like stains on the cement and stuff, and maybe it's still dirty, but like it's such a difference not having leaves, or you know, just like sweeping off your patio. But all right, so everything is set up. I'm here in my fireplace room, so I got everything set up right here. Again, gonna put music on, start reading my book, and see how the open house goes. Okay, so we just had a few people come through. They're really interested in the house. This particular couple already have a realtor, and that's something you always want to make sure. You don't, I mean, they don't walk through a door and you don't say, do you have a realtor? But you get in conversation, and then after a little bit, you'll just say, are you working with someone, or do you have a realtor? And they'll answer. And if they say yes, then they say yes, and then that's just it. You don't need to pursue anymore. If they say no, then you're interested, and you try to see if you guys can work together and go from there. So another thing that I think is so good with having open houses is that you're constantly practicing your scripts. And if you're in any type of sales, and I'm sure in other businesses, you know about scripts and how important they are. And it's not like I'm just talking verbatim, blah, 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 but I've practiced my scripts and at least know how to tie in what I need to get through without forgetting it. So lots of benefits here. They could be potential buyers. We'll see. Carry on. Okay, so now I'm also going to talk about some of the things that we have. Like, people want things sometimes. So every month we send out 3 mailings, and that could be an email and physical mail. So one of the physical mails that we send out every month is called The Scientific. And when I have that in my hand, I'll show you guys too. It might be another vlog. But for example, it came in the mail yesterday, and it tells you all the cities, days on the market, the average sales price, the months of inventory. It is so interesting. I love it. And that's a good key for all of your buyers and sellers. They want to see what's going on in their city. Every single month, we provide that. And then there's another postcard that they physically get. And then I try to think of a good email that I can send to the whole database once a month. Granted, the percentage of like people actually opening real estate email is, I think, like 16 to 18%. That's why physical mail is good, because they might just take it and throw it, but at least they see you and think of you. Another thing that I just did and finished was made these brochures. So it's a trifold, which I think is awesome. Here's our bio. So this is to buy and sell with confidence. No, buy with confidence, sell with success. Let our experience show you the way. So this is just about buying a home, selling a home, a short little paragraph, why to use a real estate agent, benefits of using a real estate professional, and then our bio. And it's just like a cool thing that I can hand people. They take it, it's different than just your card. And maybe they read through it and then they say, hey, you're the best realtor in the world. So I have these at our open house. Another thing I bring to an open house is our magazine. This is another one of our 3 mailings, but we send this every other month. So it would be the Scientific, the magazine, and the email on every other month. And the other months I just think of something. Our postcard, it might be about a client appreciation event that we're hosting or something. But yeah, so this is the magazine. Again, it has our photo on it, American Lifestyle. The back is always different. The inside, we have writing. I choose 2 different recipes every other month, and I choose the layout and what the theme's gonna be. I don't write anything except for the bio, but it's so cool. And people all the time say like, love the recipes this month and blah, blah, blah. So really cool. But I have a stack of these at the open house and it always catches people's attention. So that's something. And then I do have the house bio sheet. And then lastly, this is the open house feedback. So I'll have someone walk through the door and say, hey, come sign in, so I can get their information before they leave. So I have the name, address of their personal home, the email, home phone, cell phone. Do you plan on purchasing a home in 1 month, 3 months, all the way to 12 months? Do you plan to sell your home 1 to 12 months? Are you working with a real estate professional? Yes or no, and then the realtor's name, which is important because sometimes people walk in and they're like, yeah, I have a realtor, but then you ask them who it is and they're like, So this is super helpful. Again, like I showed you before, write notes on this when they leave to make sure I capture the certain things that we talked about. And I'll send a handwritten letter to them on Monday, email them and follow up and add them to my database. So I think someone's here. Ooh. Bye. We're done. Done with open house. So I got an awesome call from my bestest friend who drove to Dallas this morning. She was supposed to come tomorrow, but then was like, hey, I'm here early. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So now I did my due diligence of work and I am on my way back to Dallas to meet up with her and hang out for the rest of the day. And I'm so excited. Mark's working till late, of course. So so the open house went really pretty good. Not that popular at all this weekend, but it's spring break, so I think a lot of people like left town, which is fine. So heading home, successful day so far. It's 3:42, which means like yesterday would have been 2:42, but I'm liking the spring forward. I'm trying to keep a positive mindset for it because usually it screws me up, but I'm not letting it do that this time around. So I'm prepared, I'm positive, started with a great day and it's continuing. So carry on. Okay, on our way to dinner to meet Emma in West Village. We're going to meet Casina, but that's all.
That's all?
Yeah, there's not much to say. See ya!